Hey everybody, welcome to Solidworks and welcome to my channel. My name is Mike, and today in Solidworks I'm going to show you how you can mirror certain components or certain parts of your sketch from one side to the other, right? Now before we dive in, let me tell you that there are many ways to do things in Solidworks, so this is not necessarily the solution, but it's one of them, right? Okay, that said, let's create a simple sketch so we can use the mirror function. We're going to go up to new, right, the welcome page, and we're going to click on part. That's fine. And what we're going to do is go to our sketch tab. We're going to look for a rectangle. It's going to ask us which plane we want to work on, our top plane. That's fine. And I'm going to go to the origin, and I'm going to click and pull out a rectangle. Now, I don't necessarily have to put in measurements, but just for a good measure I will. What I'll do is I'll go up to our sketch tab, smart dimension. We're going to click on this guy, pull that up. Let's say that that's 100, and then we'll go to this one, pull that out, and let's say that's 50. Alrighty. Now we want our whole setup centered, so we're going to hit F on the keyboard. There you go. And then from here, we're going to put in something that we want to mirror over at some point. Okay, so we're going to go back to our sketch tab, and let's grab a simple circle, and we'll pull that out right here. And we're going to click on accept. Okay, so this is our situation. Now, of course, you can easily just add another circle here, but we want it mirrored over because it's way faster, it's more accurate, and that kind of stuff, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to mirror this guy over to that corner. Now, how do we do that? Well, first of all, we're going to go to our sketch tab because we're doing this in sketch mode, right? Next, what we want to do is we want to go to our mirror function. So we're going to go to, let's see, where is it? Right here, mirror entities. We're going to click on that, and as we do so, it's going to ask two things. So one, what do you want to mirror, and two, what axis do you want to use? Now, we don't have an axis right now because our origin is here. So if I were to select, let's say, a other plane to mirror over, there's nothing in the right position, right? Because I created it from the origin. So what we're going to do is we're going to click that out, and what we're going to do is we're going to add that. So we're going to go back to our sketch tab, and we are going to create a line. So use a midpoint line, right? We're going to go in here, and we're going to click once here, once here. There you go. We're going to hit escape on the keyboard. So now we have a center line, and you can get rid of that once you're done, right? No worries. So we're going to go back to our sketch tab, we're going to go back to our mirror entities, and now it says, okay, what do you want to mirror? This is what we want to mirror. As soon as we click on that, you'll see that in our blue field, and then how or on what reference do you want to mirror? My midline, right? So when I click on that, oops, I need to click on the box first. Let's get rid of this. When I click on this and I click on this, there you go. Now it already gives us a preview on the right hand side. And I can simply go in here and click on that, and there you have it. Now let's say I want to mirror both of these to the bottom. How would I do that? Well, obviously, same way, right? We're going to go to sketch mode. We're going to grab a line again, and I'll use center line. Doesn't really matter as long as you have a reference. And I'm going to delete them anyway once I'm done. It's a bit harder to see, but it's there, trust me. Yeah, there you go. And now we're going to use that as a reference, okay? So we're going to go to sketch, we're going to go to mirror entities, we're going to click on this box right here. What do you want to mirror? This guy and this guy, they're both listed. What do you want to use as your mirror reference? That's going to be this line right here. So click on the box first, click on that. It's going to give us our preview. We're going to click on accept, and there you have it, right? And then now, if you like, you can go in here and delete the line and delete the line. That's all there's to it, right? So more Solidworks videos to come. If you don't want to miss those, then check out my channel, hit that subscribe button, and you'll be notified when new videos come out, all right? Okay, that's it for me. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one. Bye.